From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of stepping out of the shower onto a cold, hard floor? I've got the solution for you. The Buganda Memory Foam Bath Mat is a total game changer. This amazing product is not just any bath mat, it's a luxurious experience for your feet. With its soft and comfortable polyurethane memory foam and microfiber velvet outer material, you'll feel like you're walking on clouds. The moment you step onto it, you'll notice how plush and cozy it is, relieving pressure and fatigue on your feet. Many customers have fallen in love with this product, and it's easy to see why. It's incredibly well reviewed and a popular choice among those who want to elevate their bathroom experience. One of the standout features of the Buganda Memory Foam Bath Mat is its ability to absorb water and dry quickly, keeping your bathroom clean and hygienic. You'll also appreciate how easy it is to clean. Just throw it in the washing machine and it'll come out looking like new. The LED lights on this mat are also a nice touch, adding a warm and inviting ambience to your bathroom. Plus, the material is skin-friendly, so you don't have to worry about any irritation or discomfort. I've been using this mat for a while now, and I can honestly say it's made a huge difference in my daily routine. It's perfect for those chilly mornings when you don't want to step onto a cold floor, and it's also great for families with kids who love to play in the bathroom. If you're looking for a way to make your bathroom experience more comfortable and enjoyable, I highly recommend giving the Buganda Memory Foam Bath Mat a try. You won't regret it. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.